Tonight we are having a performance by a Wituai folk music group called the Black Eyes Band. I have no idea what Wituai local music sounds like. If I had to judge by some of the tribal paint, I would say it's going to be a pretty dope metal band, although it's probably not. Those instruments are called a bamboo band, and they're playing them with sandals. It's so wild. These guys are amazing. Wagai.